How to download the weekly menu PDF from HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to keep a copy of your HelloFresh weekly menu on your phone, well here is how to download the weekly menu PDF right from the HelloFresh mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on My Menu or Menu to see your weekly recipes. And there, you simply have to look for the option to download PDF or view printable menu, and it might be under settings or a menu icon. So there, you just have to tap the link to open PDF and then use your phone's share or download option to save it locally. And that's it. Now you know how to save your HelloFresh weekly menu PDF from the app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.